Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll show you how to install a new add-on, that is form notifications. For that, click here and click on add-ons. First we have to install the add-on. So for that a new window will be opened after we click add-on in the button. Yes, we have the second thing here, that is form notifications. Please click on this form notifications and please install it. So the installation process is easy and it is in general procedure which we follow, which is shown already in the previous videos. So please watch the previous videos how to create a Google form in an easy manner for quiz and also for feedback and other things. I'm sure you'll be like by watching the videos. So yes, our form notifications has been installed. Let's click on done here and close the window. So here I have made a quiz for his. Yes, we can see the quiz. So the total points of this quiz is 10 points. Okay, the total points are 10. So after the app is installed, let's click on add-ons here, and these are the other ads. So now we have just installed form notifications. Click on form notifications. So sometimes the window will be like this. Let's close it again and I'll be reloading the page. If you get a small errors, you can do like that. So where did our add-on go? It disappeared. It will come again. Yes, net server is slow. Yes, we got add-on here. Yes, click on add-on, click on form notifications and click on open. So here the form will send a notification to our mail. How and when, that will be shown in this small window. So yes, notify on form responses, and also we can send them a thank you email. So our main motto is to find, notify and form responses. So let me click on this. So we have enter recipient emails. So after some forms are filled, so for whom should that notification go? That means I have typed my mail ID. This is by default. So here we can see I have responses, filled in responses are 26 already. So when I click on here we have an option send notifications after every 10 responses. So if I click 100, so send notifications after 100 responses. So let's have an example. Here I have 26 already, so I'm typing 27 here. And also we can have a thank you email, we can enable this too. So how to collect email? It can be collected automatically or by form field. So what is that form field? Let me click email field. Here we have roll number, name, email. So let me click on email. So for that email the mail will be sent, I mean the thank you mail will be sent. Okay, so here we can write whatever the message we want. I am writing it again, thank you again. So this is subject, I'm sorry, this is subject of that mail. So this is the notification email body, I'm writing it here. Yes, I am saving the configuration. So let me have an example here now. I'll be clicking, so there are 26 responses already, so I'll start filling it again for you. So yes, I'm clicking on submit here. Yes, completed. So this is not our part. So it has 27 responses, and we have made this. Actually, this is what we are given. So we are given it to be closed for 27 responses. Yes, let me go to the email. Yes, quiz 2 form submissions detected. So here we can see an email, and there will be a responses sheet of the 27 responses that is given in the Google form. And also there is a thank you email from the Google form which we have written. So this was the subject I have given there: thank you for filling out our form, and thank you for responding to our form. Thank you again was the new message added in this video. So I hope you have everyone is like this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.